In Meghalaya, by the 13th of April, the home voting is expected to be completed. A total of 6,106 electors have been registered for home voting across the state, with 3,424 such voters in 36 assembly segments of Shillong Lok Sabha seat and the remaining 2,682 in the 14th assembly segments under the Tura Lok Sabha constituency. The Vote from Home initiative introduced by the Election Commission for differently abled and senior citizens aged 85 and above is receiving a good response from the public. Along with this, the home voting for absentee voters is also being conducted by the ECI.
More than 40% of the disability, they are eligible to cast their vote. So they are already marked, and based on that one, Form 12B has been circulated. Around more than 20,000 people and around 6,000 plus people has around 6,000 people they have opted for the home voting. So accordingly the plan has been worked out and the team has been made, and this it is going very well, and some of the people, more than 100-year-old people, also been able to cast their vote.
The BJP has directed its party